Summary of what is going to be said in Samannaya Adhikarana is given in small print. Vedantaha Kartridevadi Paraha Brahmapara Uka Anushthanopayodatvad Yatrani Pratipadakaha. It is Vedantas talk about the Karta, the Atma. And the Devapara, in Upasana and all that, they also have. But they talk about Brahman. And then Anushthana Upayoditva Tatradi Pratipadakaha. Anusthana is always there, whatever we may do. So that Karta is the Karta, and all that also is the subject matter of Vedanta. Bhinna Prakarana Linga Shatkacha Brahma Bodhakaha. We are going to see that. That is in the Vedanta. That is Atparya of the Vedanta, how to decide. Suppose you take a Vedantic passage. What is the Upakrama? What is the Upasamhara? What is the Apurvata, Alam, Upapatti, and another Arthavada. Arthavada Upapatti Dham. So these six, according to your book, it is 7. That is because he has taken Upakrama, Upasamhara separately. They should be joined together, 6. So according to these 6 linga means indicators. These 6, if you study, you will get the Tatparya of that passage or Prakarana. So like that, Linga Prakarana, Linga Shatkacha, Brahma Bodhaka. So Brahma Bodha is in a different Prakarana, and if you apply these canons of interpretation, you will get at the Brahma Bodha of the Vedantas. Iti prayojane anarthahane anusthanato atra kim. This is the prayojana, anarthahana. Anartha will go, misery is cease. What is the use of anusthana? It is a big that the Purumya. Even knowledge means knowledge of anusthana. Like that. Anusthana, what is the use of anusthana? Pratipattin viditsanti brahmani avasitavita. It is, they all merge in Brahman. That is the Pratipatti, knowledge of Brahman, being one with that. Shastrattvate vidhatara mananadescha kirtana. They are also Shastra. Shastra is Shamsanat, Shasanat, the discipline, they will ask you to do this, to do that, vidinishedhatmakam shastra. Therefore, shastratvatte vidhataraha, they describe what you should do and what you should not do. Mananadescha kirtana, and you should do manana if you want to get the knowledge. Like this they prescribe. That is, do not say that your Vedas only are the Shastras and Vedantas are not the Shastras. That is the hint here. Na akartru tantre asti vidhi shastratvam sansanadati. You see, in your Shastra there is no akarta. He must be a karta. Brahman is a karta, abhokta. And therefore, vidhi shastratvam sansanadati mananadehe purabodhat brahmani avasitastataha. Therefore, this is what we are going to. Mainly, it is a discussion between Purvamimamsakas and Shankaracharyas as regards the purport of the Vedantas. Shankaracharya holds according to this sutra, Tattva Samanvayat. Samanvaya means Samyak Anvayam. Samanvaya means that is showing the purpose. That is, they conclude in Brahman. Brahman is in harmony with the Shastras. So that is Samanvaya. Everywhere. No exception. All the Upanishads. So this is what we are going to discuss here in this Adhikarana. It is called Samanvaya Adhikarana. This is the fourth sutra and concludes Chatussutra. Tu Shabdaha Purvapaksham Vyavrutyatha. Now, Tattu Samanvaya. Purvapaksha, whatever it may be, but that is drawing your attention away from Purvapaksha, but to Sabdhaku. To Sabdhaha Purvapaksha Vyavrutyatha. Vyavruti means you give up Purvapaksha. Purvapaksha you keep aside. Come this side. I am going to tell you something. So that to Purvapaksha Vyavrutyatha. You know, when you negate, in Vedanta we got it, in Vivek Chudamani we got it, when you negate the entire world. That is Vyavrutti. Say, for example, if you want to say the meaning of a red flower. What is the meaning of red flower? But redness is, the red word is used to indicate that it is not blue, it is not yellow, it is not white, that is Vyavrutti. So you are mentioning everything except red. That is Vyavrutti. So like that, the Purvapaksha Vyavrutyatha. And then Tat Brahma. Tat Brahma. Tat. What does Bhagavad Gita say? Om Tat Sariti Nirdesha Brahmana Strivita Sutta. So the three ways of mentioning Brahman. Om, Tat, Sat. If you mention, it means so. So Tat to Brahman is as distinguished from what the Purvapaksha says, Samanvaya. Here it is just in harmony with the Vedantic statements. Vedantic statements prove the established Brahman. Talk about Brahman. Brahman is established. Tat Brahma, Sarvajnam, Sarvashakti, Jagat Utpatti Sthiti Layakaranam, neutral gender. It is Sarvajna, it is Sarvashakti, Jagat Utpatti Sthiti Layakaranam, Vedanta Shastradeva Avagamya. It is to be known only through the study of Vedanta. Earlier it was mentioned, here we are going to prove it. There is no way of knowing Brahman, no Pratyaksha, no Anumana. Katham Samanvayat. Because in Vedanta it is very clearly stated, some Anvaya. Brahman is beautifully adjusted with the rest of the Vedantic statements. Therefore, that is the reason why we say, if you want to know Brahman, get it from the Vedantic statements. Sarveshu hi Vedanteshu Vakyani Tatparyena Etasya Arthasya, all the Vakyas, Tatparyena, in their purpose, this Artha, this meaning only is demonstrated. Arthasya Pratidalakatvena Samanugatani. Therefore, it is this that is taught, that is said in the Vedantic statements. Sare, now these are the statements where Brahman is being said. Suppose you take up the Prakarana, you must closely go through the statements made in that, and then how it begins, how it ends, then how in between there are repetitions. If there is an important idea, it repeats. And then it is something new, you don't get it anywhere else. Apurvata. Then there should be a distinct phalam. Not even a fool will try to get something if it is not available. So phalam must be there, and then arthavada. That is by means of stories and this and that, by praise, it conveys to you the greatness of Brahmajnana, like this. Sadeva Somya Idamagra Sei, this is Santosyotrasya. But Prakarana starts like that, right up to the point where Shvetaketu has understood. It is there that comes repetition, abhyasa. That's Tattvamasi Shvetaketu 9 times, Navakrutva, in the Chandogya Upanishad, with various illustrations, examples. Mritpindena, this is the Mritpinda. From this Mritpinda, Ghatasarabha division is there. If you do not consider these as Mritpinda, what else they are? So therefore it is Mrit only for anybody, very jnani. The people who do not know much, they may say this is Bhata, Desha, Nam. They just, what is it? That is, the mere name, Vacharam Vanam Vikaro Namadeyam, Vrittiketyeva Shaktam. Vrittika is the only thing there. Vacharam, when you go on talking about it, using different words. But what is the reality? Kata, Sharaba, etc. Pot, jug, and all that. People who do not understand much, they will say, Ghata. Ghata has steady existence. If you remove Vrittika from there, if you break Ghata, Ghata goes. Vrittika remains. So, therefore, Sadeva Somirandra is Sat only existed. Ekameva Dvitiyam, it was one, only, no second. Ekameva Dvitiyam. Atmava Ivane Kayeva Adrase, Atman alone he existed before. Paretat Brahma Purvam Anaparam Anantaram Abhatyam. Anantaram, Abhatyam. Ayamatma Brahma Sarvanubhu. This is Brahman. He experiences everything. So like this, and Brahma Vedam Amrutam Purastat, what is in front of you is Brahman, immortality. That is, it is so near you, and still you don't understand. Tragic. So near you. It is your own Atman. And what more do you require to know it? Not very far away. Brahma Vedam Amrutam Purastat Ityadini. These are the various Vedantic statements, Vedanta Vakyas, which say, prove that Brahman is the reality. The Tatparya of the teaching is only Brahman. And everywhere you apply this criteria, Upakrama, Upasamhara, Arthavada, Apurvata, Jasa, Talam, Upapatti, reasoning. So you will understand that that is the purpose. Nacha Tadgatanam Padanam Brahmaswarupa Vishaya Nisthite Samanvaye అవగమ్యమానే అర్థాంతర కల్పనా యుక్త తద్గతానాం పదానాం. The words used in those sentences, prakaranas, etc. Brahmaswarupa Vishaye Nischite, when they speak clearly about Brahmaswarupa, Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, what else have they said? No other word, not a single word they use extra. Brahmaswarupa is very clear. Nischite, Samanvaye Avagamyamane, just clearly Brahman is used in harmony with other words. That is the purpose. Fixing. Samanvaya means it fits in very well. And Samanvaye Avagamyamane, when we know that Brahman is there everywhere in all the Vedantic statements, Arthantara Kalpana na yukta, na in the beginning. Arthantara Kalpana, you imagine something else as the meaning. It's not proper. And Shrutahani Ashruta Kalpana Prasanga. A similar statement. Shrutahani, like that it comes. I forget the thing. When it comes, let us see. A similar statement. What it means is this. What is said, it is destroyed. You reject it. You don't take it. What is not said, you imagine. Wise people should not do this. They should take what is said and discuss. And what is not said, why should they start imagining? This comes under that. Shrutahana, Ashruta Kalpana. It is where the Upanishad have very clearly said, you are rejecting. No, Upanishads do not start about Brahman, think about Brahman. They are there only to eulogize Karta, who is the Nikari for sacrifice. That is Shrutahana. Hani. Ashruta Kalpana. Ashruta Kalpana means what is not said, you go on imagining. Where it is clearly said Brahman, you start imagining all sorts. That is getting at the Purvam concepts. So the Shrutahani Ashruta Kalpana Prasanga Nacha Tesham Kartru Swarupa Pratipadana Parata Avasiyate. It is Kartruswarupa Pratipadana Parata Avasiyate. There they say in the Brihadaranyaka it is said. The one he has given like the Tat Kenakam Pashe, Tat Kenakam Jigre, Tat Kenakam Rasaye. That is, if he is not there, then who will smell? What will you smell? What will you taste? Like this it is said. That is, Karta is not there. Atman is not there. Indriyas, what do they do? Without the Atman, Indriyas, what can they do? Kenakam Rasaye, Kenakam Jigre, like that. Ityadi Kartrurupa Pratipadana Parata Avasiyate. That is the Ityadi Kriyakaraka Phala Nirakarana Shrute. By saying like that, the Upanishad says Kriyakaraka Phala. It has not given importance to action. When the karta is, if the karta is not there, what can Indriyas do? They talk like that. It is not given importance to action. And then Karaka, how the action is done. Karaka is the, karta only is the Karaka. He gets it done through the Indriyas, this word. So they have denied all this. Phala. What is the phala? And like this, Nirakarana Shruti. All these are rejected by the Shruti. That is, Karta only is important, not other things. So who is the Karta? Brahman. But not Karta in our sense, Sakshi, witness. It is for the sake of Atman that everything goes on. If the Atman is not there, then what will it be? Therefore, Kriyakaraka Paranirakarana Shruti. Nacha Parinishthita Vastu Swarupatvehi Pratyakshan Vishayatvam Brahmana. It is true that the Vedanta very clearly defines Brahman and places before us a clear picture of Parinishthita Swarupa. Even then, Pratyakshadi Vishayatvam Brahmanaha na. Brahman cannot be an object of direct perception. Because it doesn't have a physical form. I cannot do anything except when it has a physical form to see. Pratyakshadi Vishayatvam Brahmana. Tattvamasi Chandogyopanishad. Iti Brahmatma Bhavasya Shastram Antarena Anavaganyamana Manatva. The statements like Tattvamasi, which is the purport of that prakarana, Tattvamasi Shvetaketo, regarding Brahman, the tathparya of that would be meaningless. Iti Brahmatma Bhavasya. What does that mean, Tattvamasi? Brahman is your Pratyakshadi. Tat Tvam Asi. Is the Brahmatma Bhavasya Shastram Antarena Anavaganyamana. This Brahmatma Bhava, how can you get without the help of the Shastras? You can't. Therefore, Shastras are meant, Upanishads are meant to tell you about this. That is Brahmatmaikastvam Yattu Eyopadeya Rahitatva Upadeshanarthakyanti Naiva Dosha, Naisha Dosha. That is, Brahman means Eyopadeya Rahita. That is some. That is, it cannot receive anything, it cannot reject anything. It pervades the entire universe. Therefore, Shastra, what is the use of such a thing being described by the Shastras? Objection. Shastras say, you perform this sacrifice, go to heaven, that is something happening. It can't receive anything, it can't give up anything. It is still there, Parinishthita. Everything about it is said alright, we agree. So what is the use of having such a thing? Instead of that, look at the other portion of the Vedas. They describe very clearly. You will look for heaven, you will enjoy this. So why not have that? Why go after this Brahman? Teyopadeya Radhikatvad Upadesha Anarthakyanti Naisharusha. It is useless to talk about Brahman. Upanishad simply indulge in that. So Shankara says, it is not a defect, Naisharusha. Teyopadeya Shunya Brahmatmata Avagamya Avagamadeva Sarvaklesha Prahanat Purushartha Siddhe. Teyopadeya is not there for Brahman. It is true. Because when you reach infinity, what is there for you to accept? The role is yours. You. And then what is there to reject? Soul is you. So Heyopadeya Brahmatmata Avagamadeva Heyopadeya Surya Brahmatmata Avagamadeva Brahman, which is direct of Heya and Upadeya. Knowing that Brahman only, we get Sarva Klesha Prahana Purushartha Siddhe. All your kleshas, pleasures means Christianity, they will find you, they will torment you. All the kleshas will go, and that is Purusha. Purushartha means you must get something, that is what you wanted. Your misery will go. Sukha Prapti, then what more you require? That is Purusha. Purushartha Siddhe. Devata Vipratipadanasya tu Swavakyagata Upasanarthatveti na kaschit virodaha. Again, the Swavakyagata, that is Vedanta Vakyas, also deal with Upasana. Chandogya Upanishad starts with that. She is Upasana. Unfortunately, nobody is there to explain the nature of the Upasana because it is not in practice. How many people are going there to forest to think of this? They go to forest but start a city there. So it is not no longer in use. Even this Brihadaranyakopasana with which it starts, Ashwamedha Yaga is considered as an upasana in Brihadaranyaka. Even that, how much we understand. Therefore, they Sarvaklesha Devatadi Pratipadanasya to Swavakya Gata Upasanarthatvepi. Its own statements in the Upanishads. Swavakya Gata Upasanarthatvepi. It speaks of upasanas, even there. Nataschit Virotaha. The fact that they speak of Brahman doesn't contradict what they say about upasana. That is drills for fixing the mind, purifying the mind. Nataschit Virotaha. Natu Tatha Brahmanaha Upasanaviti Sheshatvam Sambhavati Ekatve Heyopadeya Shunyataya Kriyakarakaari Dvaita Vijnana Upamarthopapatte. Now this Purvamimamsaka are very fond of this Vidisheshatva. Where there is no Vidhi, they say, let it be subservient to Vidhi. It may not be directly Vidhi, let it be subservient, Vidisheshatva. So this Nanu Tatha Brahmanaha Upasana Vidisheshatvam Sambhavati. Then Brahman, Heyopada Rahita, Upanishads clearly pointed out, will become Vidishesha. Upasana is included in Vidhi. You do like this, do this Upasana. Then Brahman becomes Vidishesha, part of this Upasana. Will it not be there? Not? Sambhavati. Ekatve Heyopadeya Shunyataya Kriyakarakaari Dvaita Vijnana Upamartha Upapatte. So the Heyopadeya Shunyataya Kriyakarakaari Dvaita Vijnana Upamartha Upapatte. Heyopadeya Shunyataya means this the Heyopadeya nature of Brahman, Kriyakarakaari Dvaita Vijnana Upamartha Upapatte Natu Tatha Brahmanaha Upasana Vidisheshatvam Sambhavati. Kriyakarakaari etc. will go when you realize Brahman. And therefore, these two do not go together. All Dvaita will go. Therefore, let us say that it is Vidisheshatva. That is, it is a part of the Vidhi. Upasana is a Vidhi. Part of the Vidhi. Brahman, let it be part of it. Very independently, we should talk about it. Nahi Ekatva Vijnanena Unmachitasya Dvaita Vijnanasya Punaha Sambhavo Asti. That is, Ekatva Vijnana, what does that mean? What does Brahman say? Teaching about Brahman, what does that say? Ekatva. Brahman alone is the reality. If that is realized, all this Dvitva, Dvaita Vijnana will go. They will never be there. Then only Ekatva Vijnana is established. Yena Upasana Vidisheshatvam Brahmanaha Pratipadyeta. Yet, that is, Upasana involves Dvaita. Brahmajnana has only Ekatva. When Brahmajnana comes, all Dvaita Jnana goes. And therefore, Upasana involves Dvaita. How can Upasana Vidisheshatva be Brahman? Brahman is a part of Upasana Vidhi. How can it be? Tailend. Sheshatva means the tailend. That is, it can never be important. So, it doesn't, what you say, it doesn't. That is, in between what Purvapakshi says, Shankara is imagining and cutting it. Yadyapi, Anyatra Vedavakyanam Vidhisamsparsamantarena Pramanatvam Adrishtam Tathapi Atma Vijnanasya फलपर्यन्तत्वां न तद्विषयस्य शास्त्रस्य प्रामाण्यं शक्यं प्रत्याख्यातम्. Now वेदवाक्यानां यद्यपि अन्यत्र elsewhere वेदवाक्यानां विनिसंस्पर्शमन्तरेण प्रमाणत्वं न दृष्टम्. I agree with you, except in Jnanakanda. In the remaining Karmakanda, everywhere there is vidhi. So where there is no vidhi, Jaimini suggests it should also be considered as vidhi. Prashansa. Therefore, I always, all right, I agree. The pramanyam shakyam pratyaka nadrishtam tathapi atmavijnanasya phalaparyantatva. In atmavijnana, until you reach the result, phalaparyantatva, न तद्विषयस्य शास्त्रस्य प्रामाणं शक्यं प्रत्याख्यातुं. The pramanya of the Vishaya, pramanya of the Vishaya means pramanya of Brahman existing, which is provided by the Shastras. You cannot counter that until you reach the end of Atma-Vijnana, where the Phala is realization of that. Nacha anumana अनुमानगम्यं न च अनुमानगम्यं शास्त्रप्रामाण्यं येन अन्यत्र दृष्टं निदर्शनम् अपेक्षेत. That is, earlier he suggested शास्त्रयोनित्वात्, let it be proved by Anumana. Shastras need not say that. Let it be proved by Anumana. Anumana is a well-known thing. So it is given. Now he says, Shukra is refuting that. He says, Anumana cannot be applied here to establish Brahman. To know Brahman, Anumana cannot be. Only Shastra Pramana, because Anumana requires at least one instance where you have seen it directly. Without quoting any instance, you can't infer. Therefore, Brahman, has anybody seen directly, even once, so that we can infer. If somebody sees, that is not it. I should know. That is, Brahman exists, it is Pratyaksha. Therefore, there Brahman exists, that is inference. Can you do it like that? Anywhere it is Pratyaksha, Indriya Pratyaksha. Pratyaksha means I see, no. Indriya Pratyaksha. If you see, everybody sees. So, Nacha Anumana Gamyam, Shastra Pramanyam. Shastra Pramana is, you should not use Anumana. It is Shastra Pramana that proves the existence of Brahman. Yena Anyatra Drishtam Nidarshanam Apeksheta. That is, you should have seen Brahman at least once elsewhere. Anumana requires that. Can you supply that? No. Then Shastra Pramana is the only Pramana. Tasmat Siddham Brahmana Shastra Pramanakatvam. So therefore, Brahman is proved only by Shastra Pramana. Pramanakatvam. How to translate this? You see? That is, being capable of proved by Shastras, which are the only Pramana. That is Brahman. Shastra Pramanakatvam Brahmana Tasmat Siddham. Atra apare pratyaka tishtham. You see, when Shankara establishes Brahman on Shastra Pramana, and he quoted, and then somebody rises up, not anybody, Purvanivasa does, and then in between Madhyastha, that is, what that man says, there is some truth, sir, in between he comes, and says, let it be like this, as if we are bargaining. So he will come later. So here, atra apare pratyavatishtante. Now they say like this. Yadyapi shastra pramanakam brahma tathapi pratipatti iti vishayatayaiva shastrena brahma samadhyate. All right, sir. Shastra pramanakam brahma. Brahman is proved only by the shastras. We accept. Tathapi Pratipatti vidhi vishayaiva shastrena brahma samarthya. You must observe one point. We accept all that you say. Even in the Shastras that you have quoted, the Shastras are establishing Brahman only through Vidhi. That Vidhivakya is important for Purvamimamsakas. Only through the Vidhivakyas Brahman is established in the Shastra. That you can accept. Shastrena Brahma Samartyate. You see, why we should inquire into the nature of Brahman in all its subtleties. Why? Because otherwise you are nowhere reaching the higher levels of realization of Brahman. You will be nowhere, even the slightest doubt comes regarding this. You are not. So it should be very firmly established. And for Dharmadhyaya, this Nididhyasana again and again. Already in the Shravana and Manana stage you have cleared all your doubts. And in Nididhyasana stage again and again repeat what is true. So like that. Even the slightest way of that is why Tattva works. Surashyadhara, Nisita, Duratyaya, Durgam, Patastavayo, Varanti. So you should prepare yourself if you want to realize the truth. If you are satisfied with whatever you get, that is not our concern. If you want to realize the truth, this is the issue. How slowly he gives suggestions which are not correct. Shastrena Brahma Samartyate. So yatha vidhi Yupahavaniyadim Alaukikanyati Vidhisheshataya Shastrena Samartyante Tattva. Sir, Vidhisheshena Shastrani Samartyante Brahma. Brahman is presented by the Shastras as Vidhishesha. That we also do, sir, in our Vedic karma, etc. Everything is not Vidhi, even though we proclaim. We also accept some are Vidhi, some are Vidhishesha. For example, there is one statement here. The statement should be Yupe Pasum Bhatnati, that is the statement. The animal is tied to the Yupa. And the descript what kind of Yupa, not any Yupa. That Yupa, the carpenter should Samskrita, that is, the carpenter should have worked on it, and it should have 8 faces, octagonal shape, etc. That is Yupa. So to prescribe the Yupa that is not done through Vidhi, this kind of Yupa should be used, no. Yupa means Vidhi Shesha. What is the Vidhi? To tie the animal to the Yupa, that is the Vidhi. Vidhi Shesha is, this Yupa should be of this form, that is the Vidhi Shesha. We also use it, sir. Like that you accept and make Brahman Vidhi Shesha in the Upanishads. Vidhisheshataya Shastrena Samartyante Tadva. Kuta etati. And therefore, what I mean to say is, Pravrutti Nivrutti Prayojanatva Shastras. Vidhi Nishedhatmakam Shastra. Shastra prescribes what you should do, what you should not do. And therefore, when you hear Shastra saying, the Aharatara Sandhya, Paswa, every day perform Sandhya, simply you go and be ready to perform Sandhya and be proper. Pravrutti. Nivrutti, Mahusyat, Sarvabhutani. So don't injure, kill animals. And similarly, you prepare yourself. Vidhi Nishedhatmakam Shastra. Pravrutti and Nivrutti basically it should not depend on your whims and fancies. It should come basically from the Shastras. That is what the Purvamimamsakas say, and we also agree. That is in the Vyavahara field. But in Jnana, Where is pravritti, there is nivritti. So pravritti nivritti prayojanatvat shastrasya. Tathādi shastra tatparya vidaha ahuti. How Shankaracharya, you see, that is campus, they speak highly of Purvamimamsakas, just to take that statement. Shastra tatparya vidaha. Those who know the Shastras, they say it is true. Purvamimamsakas. He is going to take that. Ahuhu drishtohi tasyarthaha karmavabodhanam. In the Purvamimamsa Shastra, Jaimini has said, drishtohi tasya arthaha karmavabodhanam. What is the Shastra? The injunction. You perform this, you do this. It is the injunction. So that is the purpose of the Shastras. Karmavabodhanam iti. Chodaneti kriyayaha pravartakam vachanam. Elsewhere he says, same Jaimini says, Chodaneti, Chodana. They start with this. What is dharma? That is dharma jijnasa. Athato dharma jijnasa. Chodana lakshano dharma. They define dharma as the reply that you give to the chodana. Chodana lakshana dharma means what we should do, what we should not do. That is dharma. So therefore, Chodaneti kriyayaha pravartakam vachanam. Chodana means kriyayaha pravartakam vachanam. Kriya means action. What makes you do a particular thing? That is expressed by the Chodana. Chodana tantram we read a little 2 days ago. Chodana tantram, Purusha tantram, Vastu tantram, pravartakam vachanam. Tasya jnana upadesha. There they use the word jnana in an ambiguous way. Jnana there is knowing what these injunctions mean. Upadesha. They say do this. Do this means what? To know what the nature of dharma is, what the nature of sacrifice is, the injunction comes first, and then you go to find out the nature. That is. Then tadbhutanam kriyarthena samamnaya. Therefore, even bhutanam, even well-settled things, objects, kriyarthena samamnaya. They are always linked up. Tadbhutanam means the words which express clearly defined objects are linked only to the injunctions. Your Brahman is like that. Nitya Siddha. It should be clearly linked to the injunction. That is what it is. So, Tat Bhutanam Kriyarthena Samamnaya. Amnaya. So, this is their Brahmastra, the chief weapon. Amnayasya kriyarthatvat anarthakyam atadarthanam. Jaimini Sutra. That is, Amnaya, the purport of the entire Vedas is do, action, Chodana, kriyarthatvat. And therefore, wherever kriya is not involved, wherever you are not following any injunction, it is not the purpose of the Amnaya. It is useless. So the Amnayasya kriyarthatvat anarthakyam atadarthana. Whenever you talk of no kriyashan, you simply meditate on Brahman, realize it. No, that is useless. Go and do something. That is what it is. This is a Brahmastra. What you are doing is kriyarthatva or something else. No jnanatva. Jnanatva won't do. Kriyarthatva. You say do something, you should do something. So, ataha, he is going to raise this difference between jnana and kriya. Somewhere, I don't know whether it has come or maybe later. He is going to raise Shankaracharya. Very beautifully brings out the difference between kriya and jnana. No doubt it is true that meditation also is Manasik Kriya. But Siddhavastu, when you get it, that is not Kriya. It is Kriya completely negating Kriya. Not even the slightest movement should be there, because Kriya comes only with the desire. When you have extinguished all desires, that is the meaning of Nirvana. Yatha Vipo Nirvatasto Lengate Sopama Smrita. That is Nirvana. Clearly, all desires are gone. Therefore, the slightest movement is not there in the mind. That is Nirvana. That is Jnana. No Kriya is involved, absolutely. So, iti cha. And Ataha Purusham Kvachit Vishaya Visheshe Pravartayat Kutaschit Vishaya Visheshat Nivartayatcha Arthavat Shastra. Therefore, what does Shastra do? Sometimes, in certain circumstances, it makes the man, prompts the man to action. In certain other circumstances, it prohibits action. No, that's also action. No, you don't do that. That's also action. So this is the purpose of the Shastras. Sometimes it makes a man go forward, sometimes it checks him. So pravrutti nivrutti param Shastra, not Brahma param, as you declare. Tat sheshataya cha anyadupayuktam. Therefore, this is the main principle of the Shastras. Do, don't. Subservient to this, you say anything, we agree. You say anything, sir, we have to try. But don't give up this main principle. Therefore, acheshataya cha anyadupayuktam. Tat samanyat vedantanamapi tathaiva arthavatvam syat. Tat samanya. Sir, Vedanta is it different from Vedas? See how beautifully he asked, makes the argument. Vedanta means Vedas. Whether it comes in the tail end or Vedas. So all Vedas, according to us, and we have said, it is better you also follow us. Mainly they declare injunction is their essence. So Vedanta also let it follow that. Why should it be separate? Tat samanyat vedantanamapi tathaiva arthavatvam syat. Therefore, kriyaiva arthavatvam syat. Not jnana, kriya, karma kana. Sati cha vidhiparatve yatha swargadikamasya agnihotradi sadhanam vidhiyate evam amrutatva kamasya brahmajnanam vidhiyate iti yuktam. So, in the Vidhipara Vakya of the Vedas, they prescribe the Swarga as your goal and prescribe the methods to achieve that. Similarly, in the Vedanta Upanishads, they say there is something Brahman, and therefore to know Brahman, you are asked to do certain things. Is it not? Even Shravana Manana Nidhikasana, it asks, therefore you do. So where is Vidhipara? It is perfectly outright. Vidhiyate iti yuktam. So the Agnihotradi sadhanam vidhiyate and evam amrutatva kamasya. There are people who want to go to Swarga. For that Agnihotradi sadhanam vidhiyate. There are certain people who want to get mukti, whatever it may be. For Brahmajnanam vidhiyate. Vidhiyate iti yuktam. Nanu iha Jijnasya vailakshanyam uktam. That is, their Jijnasya vailakshanyam. Jijnasya vailakshanyam means what is the Jijnasya of the man who wants to go to Swarga. And what is the Dhamma? This Dhamma, if it is followed correctly, we will go to Swarga. Jnana or Parakampara. What is the Jnasya? The man who wants mukti? Brahman. Therefore, this Brahma and Brahman, Jnasya, Nanu iha Jnasya Vailakshanyam Uktam Karmakande Bhavyo Dharmo Jnasa Ihatu Bhuta Nitya Nivruttam Brahma Jnasyaniti. That is, these two Jnasas are they not different. And Karmakande Bhavyo Dharmo Jnasa. What is going to happen later, that is Jnasa. Bhavyo Dharma means Swarga, only after my death. Therefore, that is the Jnasa. And Ihatu Bhutam Nitya Nimruttam Brahma Jnasa. Here there is something ready, that is Jnasya. What I am asking for. Tatra Dharmajnana Phala Anushthanapeksha Vilakshanam Brahmajnana Phalam Bhavitam Arhati. Therefore, there Jnasya is dharma and means are anusthana, whatever it is, Jnasya. And here the Jnasya is dharma and what you get is Brahmajnana, and therefore there is little difference between the two. Bhavitam Arhati. Narhati evam bhavitam. It should not be like that. Karma vidhi prayuktasyaiva brahmana pratipadyamanatva. See, ordinarily people say that Jnasa is different, if Jnasa is different, therefore two different methods are there. You should not decide. Even here, it's a part of your inventions. Vidishekatya. Therefore, there will be one method. That's all. And that method is only to go to Swarga. Somebody who do not want to go away, Kumarila Bhatta says, who is not an adhikari for sacrifice, what should he do? Let him take sannyas. That is, one eye is not there, he cannot perform a sacrifice. One hand is not there, one leg is not there. Now let him take the sannyas. Kumarila was very staunch Guru Mimamsaka and a great man, very great man. So that is why whenever Kumarila Bhatta is referred in any book, Bhattabhara, he is referred to with great respect. Bhattabhara, Kumarila Bhatta sir says like this. So the Prayuktasyaiva Brahmana Pratipadyamanatva Karma Vidhi Prayuktasyaiva. Brahman also is a part of Karma Vidhi. How do you say that? He quotes, sir, your Upanishad says this. Therefore, Brahman also is a part of Karma Vidhi. And therefore, should it not be treated like that as we treat our Swarga, etc. So what are the meanings? He quotes, Atma Vare Prashtavyaha iti. There it goes, Atma Vare Prashtavyaha. There is a lot of confusion there. That is, this, they started Pratyuk Kamaya Patipriyo Bhavati Navare, etc. For the sake of Atman, everything is here. Not for the sake of that thing itself. Not for the sake of husband is here, man here. For the sake of Atman, husband is here. So, Pratyuk Kamaya Priyo Bhavati Navare, Atmanastu Kamaya Sarvam Priyam Bhavati, like that it goes. And then in the end, there you see, it's a very superficially it appears to be a very ordinary thing. But Vidyaranya Swami has taken it up for commenting. I think in Panchadashiri also it comes. That is, what is that Atmanastu Kamaya for the sake of self? It means for the sake of one's own self, Swartha. For my sake, my wife is dear to me, not for her sake. That is ultimately it is that. But then what is your lower self? That is yourself. That the nature of that is then explained. So from the beginning we commit the mistake for the sake of Atman, everything is clear. No, that is not the case. Vidyaranya Swami mentioned this, there is one Adhikarana given here, I think. That is the. So then it is declared, Atmavare Drashtavya, then that Atman must be realized. Must be there. Imperative mode is there. So you see, sir, just as we say injunction should be there, you also use injunctions in the Jnanakanta. Upanishad says, Adrashtavya, you must realize Atman. That is the way, sir, to put it. So please accept our statement. Atmavare Drashtavya iti. Ya Atma apartatma. So Anveshtavya is all imperative mode. Anveshtavya, vigiling. It is called vigiling. Ladvattamane lekvede utol umusvijitasmatha vidyasishos galindlotau vridcha bhavishyati. Vigiling. So Anveshtavya, Sadi Vijnasitavya, Chandogyopanishad. He is to be acquired, he should be realized, he should be sought. Atmetyevopasita, you meditate on this as Atman, imperative. How many? Not one or two. Atmanameva lokamupasita. You meditate on the self. Brahma Veda Brahmeva Bhavati. Knowledge Brahman becomes Brahman. That also is a intention. Brahmeva Bhavati. And then Ityadi Vidhaneshu Satsu. These are all injunctions. When they are there in your own Upanishads, Satsu. Kosau Atma Kintad Brahma Ityakankshayam. So injunctions were there, are there in the Upanishads. Kosau Atma, what this injunction says, Atma, who is he? Who is that Brahman? Iti Akanshayam, Tat Swarupa Samarpanena, Sarvam Sarve Vedantaha Upayukta. Swarupa Samarpana means, if you ask that question, Kosau Atma, Kintat Brahma, then all the Vedantas come, Sir, Atma means this. Sir, Brahman means this. Samarpana is that. How picturesque the language is. Indeed, Samarpana, the Kosau Atma, Kintat Brahma, Yakankshayam, Tat Swarupa Samarpanena Sarve Vedantaha Upayukta. To such an extent, so far we agree, sir, the Vedantas come and say, oh, this is Atma, this is Brahma. Then you raise that question. You raise this question why? Because they force that you raise the injunction. And you raise this question. And then they give you all this. If you say like that, it's so smooth. Nityaha, Sarvajnaha, Sarvagataha, Nityatruttaha, Nityashuddha Buddha Muktasvabhavaha, Vijnanam Anandam Brahma, Ityeva Madhya. What do they say? That is Swarupa Samarpanena. What do the Upanishads say? They say, Nityaha, he itself says, your Upanishad says that Nityaha, Sarvajnaha, he is eternal, he is omniscient, Sarvagataha, he is all-pervasive, Nityatruttaha, that is, he has no desires, Nityatruttaha. Why should desire be there? Nityatruttaha, Nityashuddha Buddha Swabhavo, Vijnanamanandam Brahma. Then he is eternal, he is pure, he is knowledge itself. Then he is eternally free. All this, Vijnanamanandam Brahma. He is Vijnana, he is Ananda. Therefore, they prescribe this. See, you must know, all these are Purvamimamsaka arguments. We should not lose ourselves in thinking that he is placing the